Did you know that people who regularly consume olive oil are up to 30% less likely to die from heart disease compared to those who rarely use it? That's right. A single, golden-hued oil used for thousands of years can make a powerful difference in your health and longevity. Let's dive into why olive oil isn't just a culinary staple, but a true essential for your diet. Olive oil, often referred to as liquid gold, has a history as rich as its flavor. Originating from the sun-drenched groves of the Mediterranean, olive oil has been treasured for centuries, not just as a food, but as a symbol of health, prosperity, and tradition. Ancient Greeks and Romans believed olive oil was the secret to strength and beauty, incorporating it into everything from cooking to skincare. Today, modern science is catching up, confirming what ancient civilizations seemed to know all along. Olive oil is one of the healthiest fats you can add to your diet. But before we get into the science, let's address a common misconception. For decades, the word fat has been almost taboo in discussions about diet and health. Many of us grew up hearing that fats, especially oils, should be avoided or minimized at all costs. The result? Fat-free and low-fat products filled supermarket shelves, and people worried that any oil in their food would be a shortcut to weight gain and heart problems. But not all fats are created equal. While it's true that some fats, like trans fats and excessive saturated fats, can be harmful, others are essential for our well-being. Our bodies need healthy fats to function properly. Fats are crucial for absorbing vitamins, building cell membranes, and even supporting brain health. Unfortunately, the blanket fear of fats has led many to overlook the extraordinary benefits of oils like olive oil. Now, let's zero in on olive oil itself. What makes it so special? First, olive oil is loaded with monounsaturated fats. These are the good fats that have been shown to improve cholesterol levels, lower the risk of heart disease, and support overall cardiovascular health. But that's just the beginning. Olive oil is also rich in antioxidants, particularly a compound called polyphenols. These powerful molecules help combat oxidative stress in the body, reducing inflammation and protecting cells from damage. Chronic inflammation is a major factor in a host of diseases, from heart disease and diabetes to certain types of cancer. Including olive oil in your meals adds a potent layer of defense. It's no coincidence that olive oil is a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, widely regarded as one of the healthiest dietary patterns in the world. People living in Mediterranean countries, like Greece, Italy, and Spain, have some of the lowest rates of chronic disease and some of the longest life expectancies. Their secret? A diet abundant in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, seafood, and, of course, plenty of olive oil. But what does the science say? One of the most compelling pieces of evidence comes from the landmark pre-dimed study conducted in Spain. This large-scale, long-term clinical trial followed over 7,000 men and women at high risk for cardiovascular disease. Participants were split into different groups. One group followed a Mediterranean diet supplemented with extra virgin olive oil, another with nuts, and a control group followed a low-fat diet. The results were nothing short of remarkable. The group that consumed extra virgin olive oil daily experienced a 30% reduction in the risk of major cardiovascular events, including heart attack and stroke, compared to the low-fat group. This wasn't a minor difference, but a life-changing one. The study provided undeniable proof that incorporating olive oil into your meals isn't just a matter of taste, it's a matter of health. And the benefits don't stop at the heart. Research also suggests that olive oil may help protect against type 2 diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity, and it could even lower the risk of developing certain neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Some studies indicate that olive oil's antioxidants may have anti-cancer properties, and its healthy fats play a role in supporting joint health, skin elasticity, and even maintaining a healthy weight when used as part of a balanced diet. So, how can you make the most of this ancient superfood? The answer is simple. Make olive oil your go-to fat for cooking, salad dressings, and even as a finishing touch to roasted vegetables, soups, or bread. Choose extra virgin olive oil whenever possible, as it retains the highest amount of beneficial compounds. And don't be afraid to use it generously. Within the context of a healthy, balanced diet, olive oil is a friend, not a foe. Let's recap the key reasons why olive oil truly earns its place as an essential part of your diet. First, it's packed with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that help lower bad cholesterol and protect your heart. Second, the rich antioxidants, especially polyphenols, help fight inflammation and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Third, its role in the Mediterranean diet, a model of healthy eating, has been proven time and again to support long life and vitality. Fourth, groundbreaking research like the Predimed study has shown that daily olive oil consumption can dramatically cut your risk of heart attack and stroke. And finally, olive oil is versatile, delicious, and easy to incorporate into just about any meal. If you've been wary of adding fats to your diet, it's time to rethink that stance. Not all fats are harmful, and olive oil is a shining example of a fat that does your body good. By embracing olive oil, you're not just enhancing the flavors in your kitchen, you're making a powerful investment in your health and future. So next time you reach for cooking oil or salad dressing, remember the remarkable benefits of olive oil. Make it a staple, savor it, and let it work its wonders. If you found this information helpful and want to learn more about healthy eating and lifestyle choices, don't forget to subscribe. Join us as we explore the best ways to nourish your body and mind, one delicious, healthy habit at a time.